So, hi dear Scorpio, very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the 24th of May 2026. Okay, so let's start. Please keep in mind these are general messages. They might or might not resonate. If they does, good. If they don't worry about it. Just let it be. And for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. So the overall energy for Scorpio people for this week. Let's see what we have. Justice. Fight for justice and equality. Rulings made in your favor. Don't give up. If you have to fight for something that you know is right, just don't give up. The rulings are going to be made in your favor, Scorpio. If you have done nothing wrong, there's nothing that you should be worried about. There's nothing that you should be scared of. Just stand up for yourself, fight for equality and justice. The rulings are going to be made in your favor, but do not give up. Don't give up. Okay. For this week, this is the message. Okay, let's see the per day messages for today. For Scorpio, we have the King of Michael. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. Okay, so whatever you have learned till this point of your life, whatever things that you have learned, and remaining objective in a situation instead of going in a subjective way of thinking, are important now for you guys, especially for this day. Stay in your integrity, meaning even if nobody is watching, even if nobody is going to question you, that and choose to do the right thing. That is the true meaning of integrity. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. Something is there that needs to be properly done and properly communicated so that you guys are going to be free. So do not procrastinate the important communications or important bonds or connections that are based on something that's not so good or so positive right now, right? Do that. 19th, we have the perspective. There's a better way. Something that you might be thinking as this is the only way that I should proceed, or my way is the only way. I don't think so. It's out of ego, it's out of knowledge or knowing that my way is the best way. But there's a better way also, right? Try to be flexible and open minded to listen to others or listen to or understand other point of view, other energies too. Pause for reflection and insight. Take a step back and pause for reflection and insight about a particular situation instead of uh, jumping in and doing something out of restlessness or out of impulse. Dare to be different. Scorpio, if you are waiting to do something and you and that's a different thing, don't wait for the society to accept you. Society is always in a stupid way, like always pull, like trying to pull people back. So dare to be different and do your own thing. Don't worry about anything or anyone. 20th, we have the Queen of Profile. Follow your heart. Follow your heart until unless it's not hurting anybody or harming anybody. Just follow your heart, in the sense that if your happiness is ruining somebody else's happiness, that's a different chapter, that's a different thing. But it should not harm or hurt anybody, in the sense that because you want something from somebody, they should give it to you. That is a different choice or thing. I have seen a lot of people fighting with me on this. Follow your heart. I want to be loved by somebody who don't love me back. That's not following your heart. Following your heart means loving somebody even if they don't love you back, and caring for them. And that type of love is rare, 1% only on this planet Earth. Even mother's love is unconditional, because mother's love is not same for every baby on this planet Earth. It's just for their baby they are that much sensitive and loving, right? My face is swollen like hell. Anyway, a love of home and family. Your connection with your family, your connection with your home environment is going to be really very, very deep, or you are going to make sure it is going to be deep. Trustworthy psychic information. Out of nowhere, you might get some kind of downloads. Downloads, in the sense, is something that you, let's say you are just chilling, you're taking a sip of your favorite wine or doing something, and out of nowhere you're going to get some kind of message or something is going to click you, like, okay, you should do that. That is the download, right? Especially if it is spiritual. So try to figure out the meanings for what they are, instead of making it look like, okay, it's like that, it's like that. The first meaning, the first energy that's coming to you without any ifs or buts or this or that is the information. And of course it's not for everybody, but if you are into this thing and these things keeps on happening with you like me, so this is for you. 18, 19, 20. 21st, we have the new beginnings, starting a new life, finding your purpose, a forgiving and compassionate review of the past. You guys will be right now in this phase of your life where you want to start or restart a brand new chapter in some area of your life. Just do that. That's a really good thing. You guys are right now on the verge of trying to find out the purpose of your life, purpose of your happiness, purpose of your human birth on this planet Earth. Forgiving and compassionate review of the past is very, very important in order for you guys to start or restart a brand new chapter. That is a must. Okay, 18, 19, 20, 21st. 22nd, we have the page of Raphael. A new emotional situation, a really beautiful new emotional situation is going to be there for you guys to resolve maybe or to enjoy maybe, depends on your current situation, current energies. Messages regarding relationship or social invitations. If you're going to get some kind of what we call that invitation or a get together or something like for a get together or fun, just go there, have fun. Great intuitive insights, again great intuitive insights. You guys are going to be quite intuitive this week, and your intuition is going to talk to you in many ways, like telling you to stop doing certain things or do certain things or start something or restart something. So these kind of energies are also there for you guys for this day, for this week. 23rd, we have the Queen of Ariel. Nurture yourself and those you love. Take care of yourself also, Scorpio. It's not about always taking care of others and ignoring yourself completely. Take care of yourself as well while you are busy nurturing others also, right? The ability to make anything more beautiful. Now, this day, you guys have the ability, the compassionate, loving, and nurturing kind of energy to make everything beautiful. You can. Practical and wise advice. Somebody is going to give you some kind of practical and wise advice that you might not be able to, maybe click at that time, or you're not going to like that advice at that time, but maybe if you're going to keep that advice in the back of your mind, someday it is going to be really, really helpful for you. Don't completely ignore it, especially if it is coming out of a good person, like experienced person or a wise person. Okay, so we have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have the 10 of Michael. A situation has ended. Something has come to an end, and you're finally free. You are finally free. Now, energetically, if you're going to keep yourself trapped on something or someone, that's your problem, not the universe's. But the universe gave you the green signal that a chapter, a situation, or something has ended and it's now finally over. New opportunities for happiness will now follow. From this point onwards, new opportunities of happiness might follow you if you're going to allow the happiness to come in your life. Put the past behind you. Putting the past behind you is really going to help you in moving forward. Now, just by saying, okay, I am over the past is not going to help you. You guys have to cut your cords with the past energies. You guys have to release the attachments. Forgiveness, compassionate review of the past is important. Learning from the mistakes and never repeating those again is the important lesson here, right? Let's see the final message for you guys for this week as a guidance. Five of Ariel. You need not go through your current challenges alone. If you guys are going through something emotionally, maybe, right, mentally or emotionally, you don't have to go through these challenges alone. You can take help from a family member or sibling, maybe a therapist or healer or a good friend of yours, right? Help is nearby only. You just have to look for it, you just have to ask for it, and help is nearby only, Scorpio. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. Now, your negative thoughts might make you feel like, your mind might make you feel like this is the reality or the ultimate reality of life. This is not. It's just your mind playing tricks on you and trying to make you feel like something is reality, but it's not, right? That is how it works. Okay, my love. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.